Hi guys, welcome to Amenny Property Channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you buying together and leverage of power of group buying. Who should stay back to watch this video? If you are employee, property owners, business owner, or you are somebody are in debts, I strongly encourage you to stay back to watch this video. This is probably your life-changing program. Now, let me share with you the power of leverage via property. Hi guys, welcome to Amenny Property TV. If you'd like to know more about Malaysian real estate tips, please subscribe me and you will get a free video every week. I'm using this formula to buy my 20-year-old properties in the past, and now I'm going to share with you what is my secret. Secret number one, we need to understand how can we move out the comfort zone and rebuilding our life. We need to understand the power of individual versus the power of team. I strongly recommend you to read a book called Rich Dad and Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and that's my journey to become an investor. Also understand the theory and concept of individual ability versus a group ability. Individual ability is we always chase for money, we work for money, and the group ability is we let the money work for us. We start to hire people, leverage on other people, knowledge, skill, and system, and we will be able to make more. There's a very powerful words in Chinese called Wei Ji. That is describe current situation of COVID-19. As I mentioned just now, I've been going through two crises in 1998 and in 2008. This is probably the last crisis that for me and for a lot of you. How could we leverage on this crisis and move into an opportunity? I'm looking into this crisis as the world will reshuffle. Many of them will not go back to the same, and we are going into a new norm. We call it new normal. Same to a real estate investment and real estate industry as well. What will be the three opportunities that will appear in the real estate industry? First opportunity, bulk deal. Why bulk deal is the most profitable model during crisis? Investors need to come up with a large capital fund to negotiate with the developer or property owner that they may have a balanced stock. With that, they need to commit a certain number of the property and they need to buy in a big volume. Of course, you can bargain a good discount, but somehow there's a risk. If you are not able to sell it later, you still need to commit and buy the balanced stock. All this is always for those people with a huge capital and they are a big risk taker. Now, let me share with you second opportunity. Foreclose, short sales, or fire sales. What is the definition of fire sales? The property must sell way below the market, at least 30% discount and above. It's a property that when you saw the price, you cannot resist yourself to go in, to invest and to buy it. Back then in 2008, I met a group of US investors. They make tons of money for close and fire sales. Many investors start to ring me up. Amenny, if you have a fire sales, please don't hesitate to call me. I want to go in now. Third opportunity, below market value property. It's easy for individual to look into this kind of property because we can buy ourselves without coming out with a huge capital. Usually this kind of property we can even get the deal as very minimum down payment or even zero down payment. This is a strategy that I use to purchase my 5 property back in 2008 and I made 500,000 in the next year. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Amenny from One World Real Estate Group. The reason I make this video is I want to make life easy for property owner and property investors. Please subscribe me and you will get a free video every week.